What is Venice AI? Venice AI is a privacy-first, uncensored, open-source AI platform that keeps your prompts locally in your browser, not on servers. That means your data stays private. Venice also rotates through powerful models like DeepSeek, Llama, Qwen, Stable Diffusion, and more, for tasks ranging from text and code to image generation. Plus, there's a free tier and a pro plan around $18 per month, offering unlimited prompts and higher quality outputs. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is developed by OpenAI. It's a general-purpose AI assistant used for everything from conversation and creative writing to coding and data analysis. It provides frequent updates, has powerful integrations, and offers a free plan. ChatGPT Plus is $20 per month, and Pro is $200 per month for power users. Comparing for the pricing, Venice is more affordable at around $18 per month. ChatGPT Plus is $20 per month, while Pro can go to $200 per month. And for features and ecosystem, ChatGPT has richer tooling, advanced modes, apps, and custom GPTs. Venice is lean, focusing on core abilities with minimal bells and whistles.